Yeah, Saturday vibes.
What are we making?
Curry stew chicken foot. Pot pool.
Curry stewed chicken foot. And we don't have it
Chicken
seasoned
feet.
up here. With some homemade season that I made. With shadow benny, garlic, pimentos, some chives and thyme and ginger. So that's my homemade blended seasoning. We also added some salt and black pepper. And Simon is gonna do some curry stew today. I already finished cooking some beef. It's called Mongolian beef, but I did not do a video while I was cooking that. So Chef Simon in the kitchen here today, and then we're going outside to do some grilling and
Chef
chill by the
Simon.
pool.
Chef
Chef
Simon.
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 Yeah.
Yeah.
What you wanna put hot? Oh, so look,
You need a hot pepper.
hot pepper.
That's the most important thing.
And some onion. He's gonna chop up in here. You know, Trini's like food spicy. So yeah. So stay tuned. Right, so Simon is gonna add some of his spices. So we have a little jeera.
Yeah, some jeera in it.
Well, we know Simon like to season. He do measure is just true, right? And then a little bit which is amchar masala, right?
Yeah. A little bit of everything. Now.
Yeah. Like if you're going to curry, but just going to be less curry because it's curry stew.
Yeah.
And then you season the meat with some curry as well.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna cut up his onions.
Yeah.
So this is the process for this part, which is seasoning, and then we're gonna burn our brown sugar just as if you're going to stew chicken, right? So that's why it's called curry stew, because we have the curry added in here and then we're going to stew it.
Yeah. Good.
Right, so we're going to organize and cook this up one time. No sticking to it. Yes, chef. Right, so in the pot we're gonna add some soybean oil.
We like this.
Well, this is our more outside cooking pot, so
Yeah.
Simon usually uses this to make all his different kind of meats and stuff. And we're gonna add some brown sugar.
Sugar.
Christian has his cousin over, so two of them playing if you're hearing them screaming in the background. So the sugar has to raise, and then the chicken foot will go in. Yeah.
So just mixing up this pot pool chicken feet. But some people just do this the curry stew different, whereby there's when they're burning the sugar.
They add the curry here?
Add the curry inside the in the sugar.
Well, I guess everybody have their own way of cooking stuff, so there will be different ways to do curry stew as well. See the sugar starting to bubble up. Still have a little way to go.
Yeah.
Little boy here, Christian, put on your little floaty. This is his pool toy. So sugar on the way here. I was going to raise this up a little bit. So
Good.
sugar raised good there now. Chicken foot going in. Yeah, that's sure.
Yeah, that's right. I'm gonna get it right.
Yep. And well, Simon, you will see he added more oil than usual for when you're stewing, because as he said, chicken foot doesn't really have much fat, so to make sure you add enough so it doesn't stick. I don't eat chicken foot, but looking good. Smelling good too. So we're trying to cook up today and then go relax by the pool. Tomorrow we may go out a bit and take the kids to the water park.
The park, yeah.
And then we might make some, well, every time someone home we always cooking. So we might do some dal puri and curry layers tomorrow.
Yeah.
Right, so that's just gonna continue cooking for a while. And I'll show you guys when it's almost finished. While the chicken foot cooking, come outside a bit. It's a beautiful day, but it's very, 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 very hot.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Real hot.
Pomegranate tree. It's my pepper tree. I need to give it some water. Let's check on this chicken foot. Well, chicken feet. Now, you know we like to say chicken foot. Check the change in the color already. Smelling all good. Yeah, so this just has to cook for probably what, 20 minutes, if so long, and then that'll be it. It had a boil now, and we add some water and then cook up a bit, and that'll be it. Why are you knocking the pot so, boy?
I'm gonna knock the pot.
Bubbling away.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Strengthening sauce then.
Yes.
Best
But it's
part.
smelling real good, eh? Why are you making this and I don't eat it?
Well, you can taste it.
Nah. What are you cooking for me?
Roast a chicken for you. Half a chicken.
Oh,
That's it.
yeah.
On the grill.
Tell
And then we go in gym.
yourself.
Then we go in gym.
Well, we can go roast chicken and go gym.
Why?
Chicken foot. Yeah.